Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. We're very happy to see you again.
In today's episode, we have a new story. It's simple, slow, and very useful for everyday English.
Yes, this story is about a small conversation, a very small conversation, that changes everything.
It was a quiet morning. The sun was shining softly. The street was not busy.
People were walking slowly. Some people were going to work. Some people were drinking coffee.
Sarah was sitting in a small cafe. She liked this cafe because it was calm.
She opened her notebook. She wanted to write something, but she didn't know what to write.
She felt confused. She felt tired. She felt a little lost.
Suddenly, someone sat at the next table.
It was Adam. He ordered a cup of tea.
He looked around. He looked calm but thoughtful.
After a few minutes, he smiled and said, "Good morning."
She looked up and smiled. "Good morning."
There was silence again.
Then Adam spoke.
"Do you come here often?"
"Yes, I do. I like quiet places."
"Me too. Quiet places help me think.
"Think about what?"
About life, about the future."
She closed her notebook. "I feel the same. Sometimes I feel stuck."
Stuck?
"Yes, like I want to move forward, but I don't know how."
Adam nodded. "I understand. I feel like that too."
Adam asked a simple question.
"What do you really want?"
She thought for a moment. "I want to grow. I want to learn. I want to be confident."
"That's a good start," Adam said.
Adam continued.
"I believe learning never stops. Even small conversations can teach us something."
Sarah smiled. "Like this conversation?"
"Yes, exactly like this one."
Sarah felt lighter. She felt hopeful.
She realized something important.
Sometimes we don't need big changes.
We just need the right words at the right time.
Adam finished his tea.
"I should go now."
"Yes, me too."
"It was nice talking to you."
It really was.
They both stood up.
For a moment, they didn't move.
It felt like the conversation was not finished.
Sarah took a deep breath. "Can I ask you something?"
Adam smiled. "Of course."
Do you believe small moments matter?
Adam thought for a second. "Yes, small moments create big changes."
I used to think only big decisions were important, Sarah said.
"But now I'm not sure." "I learned something," Adam replied. "Every day teaches us something, if we are ready to listen."
Sarah smiled again. Maybe I should write about moments like this.
"That's a great idea."
Even simple conversations?
"Yes, especially simple conversations."
Sarah opened her notebook again.
This time, her hand moved easily.
She started writing.
She felt inspired.
Adam looked at his watch.
"I really have to go now.
I understand.
Maybe we can talk again sometime."
I'd like that.
They shared a friendly smile.
They walked in different directions.
But something had changed.
Both felt more confident.
Adam walked down the street.
He felt lighter than before.
His steps were slow but sure.
He smiled to himself.
Adam walked in the opposite direction.
She held her notebook close.
Her mind was calm.
She felt clear for the first time today.
The noise of the street felt different now.
It didn't feel heavy anymore.
Everything felt a little brighter.
Even the air felt fresh.
Adam remembered Sarah's words.
I want to grow.
He nodded quietly.
Those words stayed with him.
Adam stopped walking.
She sat on a nearby bench.
Adam opened her notebook again.
She wrote about the cafe.
She wrote simple sentences.
Today, I talked to a stranger.
Adam, it changed how I feel.
She wrote, I feel stronger.
Adam looked ahead.
He felt ready for the day.
Adam felt ready for new conversations.
Ready for small moments.
Without saying it aloud.
They both made a promise.
To listen more.
To speak kindly.
The cafe was just one place.
The conversation was just one moment.
But the feeling stayed.
And it stayed strong.
That day did not change the world.
But it changed something inside them.
They learned something simple.
Small words can bring big comfort.
A kind voice can give strength.
And listening can heal the heart.
Sometimes we wait for big moments.
But life speaks quietly.
Through simple talks.
Through honest smiles.
Message for listeners. If you feel lost,
Try talking.
if you feel tired,
Try listening.
closing lines. This was Learn English, episode 24.
Thank you for listening and learning with us.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing.
We'll see you next time.
Goodbye.